Hello, my name's Peter Quinn Davis. I'm the Programme Director for MA Design. Plymouth University is really about innovation. It's about enterprise and a spirited connection between research and what we do within the design spectrum. Our staff members, of which we have 9, are proactive researchers. About half of them have international reputations for design research, and we run a series of PhDs and MReses and ResMs as a way of constructing a debate around some of the problems that are facing us within the 21st century. We have a spirited debate across a whole range of different topics, from different uses of language within design, to artifact manufacture, to medicine, health issues, civil issues, and literally holistic and empathetic relations about design dialogue. We have something here called Design Knowledge, which is seated within Design Lab, which also helps as a meeting place for conversations from other people across the university. That means that we may have people from marine, from biomedicine, from engineering, from electronics. That helps us in many ways because it broadens the conversation that we can have, and it also helps us with our research and with the research of our PhD students. MA Design is broken into 4 different areas. Firstly, we have maker and materials. For those people who are interested in the applied arts, the decorative arts, but also people who are interested in the creation of one-off artifacts or batch production of artifacts. Some interesting new dialogues around the introduction of new craft practices vis-a-vis technology. Our next pathway or strand is called spatial practice. That is a relationship with space, place, and the human being. Our third one is product designer, pretty much following the undergraduate perspective, but broadening that debate to bring in much more working with public bodies, much more related to working with some of the issues around the 21st century that we're going to have in the world in the future, mainly sustainable, mainly holistic and empathetic ways of thinking about design. And fourthly, sustainable futures, which is really about focusing our efforts in product design, in spatial practice, in maker and materials, in a totally sustainable way. Sourcing different processes, sourcing different knowledge bases, and also new ways of thinking about design. We are progressive. We are quite radical at times. We create a new range of values for designers. We also have 2 other core modules, design and business, which allows your values as designers to be put into practice in a business perspective, and also creative processes, which allows you to get your creative juices flowing and allows you to create an atmosphere around your work to create new values and new knowledge bases. You then have a period of choosing and selecting where you would like to specialize across the spectrum of our 4 pathways. So come and join us.